Naloxone comes in a variety of different forms. This is one of the intranasal forms. The intranasal kits that come with the orange intranasal device will have 2 of these orange boxes and 2 of these cones that are used as adapters within the kit. If you have this kit, there are a few steps you need to go through before you would administer it to someone. It's important to understand those steps so that you would know what to do should you ever need to use it. Within the orange box will be 2 pieces. One is a delivery device. It has 2 yellow caps on it, and the second is actually the medication. It will have a purple cap on it. This is glass. It's important to tell people not to open it in a way that it would break. In order to put this into this to be able to deliver the medication, you take off the caps, so there's 2 yellow caps for the administrator, and then on the actual medication is the purple cap, and it can screw and just pop off. With the 2 devices now with their caps off, you're going to want to place the medication into the plastic delivery device. You'll see there's a needle in there that will release the medication from the actual glass vial. You want to screw it on so that there's a tight seal, but the way you're going to deliver this medication is by pushing it. So you don't want to push until you're ready to actually give the medication. The cone piece I was talking about then screws on to the very tip. Now this is going to be how the device looks when it's ready to be given. Glass piece, plastic piece, nose piece. So in order to administer the intranasal naloxone in the kit you've put together, you'll want to put the cone into the person's nostril. You're going to plan on placing half of the medication on one side and half of the medication on the other side. One nostril, then the other. You'll want them to be laying down, and you'll want them to be as much in a straight plane as you can, because you don't want the medication to run out of their nose and not be effective in helping reverse their overdose. You'll place the medication directly into one nostril. You don't have to put too much pressure, but you want a seal, and then you'll push down on the end to deliver about half the medication. Remove it and then place it onto the other side. Again, a firm seal, push it, and then remove it. So after you've administered the medication into their nostrils, ideally you'll get an effect and they'll start to breathe again and start to communicate with you. But if in 3 minutes there has not been the response that you want, the response that we want, you give them the second dose. Each box has 1 dose within it. This is 1 dose.